Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick little flip through to show you of this adorable little field note size junk journal. It's a design team project for a whimsical adventure, and I will link Anya's Etsy shop down below so you can check out her digital images. And this is her Powers of Time kit, which is a steampunk theme kit, and I just love it. I've used it before and it's one of my favorite kits of hers. I made a field note size because I got a traveler's notebook cover that's field note size. It's a wide one, but this could be used as an insert or as a standalone journal. So let's take a look inside. I've got a twine closure, and this is a little round paper clip with a charm. And then there's the back. All of the images are from the Powers of Time kit. The journaling cards I've reduced in size and backed them with some tea dyed paper and some lace. And I'll show you the original sheet. This is the original. If you printed it full size, I mean, it's just gorgeous with all the journaling cards, other embellishments, some little washi tape, but I made it smaller for this little journal. And then this is a lace belly band there. I've used a bunch of different sari silk ribbons on the edges. There's another one of the pages. All the pages I have crinkled and distressed book pages. I've done here and there some of the grungy tape. There's a little pocket and one of the coin envelopes from the kit, a little tag in that. I didn't overly embellish it because I wanted to have a lot of journaling space because it is a smaller journal. Here's a die cut paper doily, and then this is a little tea dyed glassine envelope with just some of the smaller bits and pieces from the kit that you can use to embellish the journal, and little pieces of the washi style images. These are printed on both cardstock, some of them, and just regular printer paper. There's another sari silk ruffle. Some stenciling with gears. There's some ledger, a little ticket from the kit. Love that page, those pages. I've sewn around every page too for just some more texture and interest. Some more of the sari. Here's another pocket with a couple more journaling cards in there. A lace flip up. Another journaling card. Here's another pocket with another of the coin envelopes from the kit. And then I love these clock hands, but they were so tiny when I reduced them in size that there was no way I was going to be able to fussy cut those out to use individually. So I made a little bookmark or journaling card there and a little collaged pocket. And then this coin envelope, I took this and made it larger and printed it out for my cover, just in my word processing software. Another sari silk ruffle, the clock faces. And then here, just included a couple you could journal on or embellish. This is a little flip out with a pocket and a tag with some lace. And then here on the back is the other half of the belly band with a grungy tea dyed index card with some lace on the top there and some of the tape again. And here's the other little lace pocket, a couple of more journaling cards and a journaling card and a journaling tag. And I wanted to pull in the grungy laces from the kit and use something like that in the journal. So I think it really came together nicely. I love this little guy. So this is available in my Etsy shop, and I will link that down below as well. Check out A Whimsical Adventure and Anya's images. There's, oh my gosh, so many amazing kits to use. I hope everyone is doing well. Take care, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.